Did that move? That didn't move. Did it move?
I mean, I didn't even try. See what I mean? I told you. Let's bolt something here.
Freeze. You just need to get on it. You got it right here, next one. I want to see this right here. Let's see the old school breeze.
Right? No complaining. Just do it.
I want the old breeze, not the new breeze.
I love you with these. See? You make shit happen. See?
Okay.
Even can do stalls on it if you want
happening?
to. I think you put it like a two screws.
Yeah, I think we should bolt it in.
Like
look,
one of. Oh, look at that.
Like it's made.
Dude, you can come from here. Look at that. And get out over there.
Yeah, you can do this at anywhere. Concrete. Pour it in. We're gonna use hole punch to mark where the hole's gonna be, so we can start
You maybe
drilling with a masonry bit. Right there.
Let's mark.
Yeah, I marked it. All right.
Okay.
You see that? See that? Because I don't want to blame anyone. If anyone fucks up,
It will be on you.
I want to make sure that I'll just be mad at myself.
Now look at everybody that's tuning in. Please put on safety glasses.
You need a mic. I don't think they can hear you.
They can hear me. So you need to put on safety glasses. That's rule number 1.
Okay.
Now start drilling.
And gloves. All right, let's try this over again.
Back again. Take 3.
All right.
There you go. Some grabbing that thing.
Yeah. All right, man. Give it a go. Whoa.
What? Got fakey? Oh. Right here, Renee.
Got it.
One more. Just to see, like, oh, that was lucky. Whoa, there you go. That's the line.
A little kick turn off the quarter, huh?
Yeah. Yes. That was your worst enemy right there.
That's exactly what I'm afraid of.
I'll get you back.
Right here.
Oh, what happened? I thought you were going to go down. No, the 50-50.
I might have to do that. And then go in.
This looks sick too.
That would be dope.
Yeah. All right, right here. Oh, shoot. Look what he's laughing at me, dude. Man. Yes! I got you back. Yes. Here, right here. There we go. Oh. I'm gonna try to get you back.
Yes. Yes.
Man, today is better than the other days. Like
I know.
we're getting tricks.
And that wasn't really even what I wanted to do today. That just kind of happened.
See?
I wanted
Thanks to Ortiz, man. He's always thinking.
Ortiz and the man.
Thank Ortiz. We love you.
Now what I wanted to do is I wanted to check out doing teeter totter
Let's try.
on the Octopus.
Let's try to make it.
I got this long piece that I got the old Trans World.
You need like a bolted in.
Remember the Trans World 100
Oh, the
foot
blue one? Yes.
Yeah, that one. Jamie Owens gave it to me.
You skate that thing, right? A few years ago?
That's the one that we did for Dave B's birthday, the 57 foot.
Holy shoe. 57.
And I think there's like a 20-foot length. It's back here. Let's
I
grab
think
it.
I remember that.
Let's grab it and see what it looks like.
Let's do it. There's no rats over here, right? I'm afraid of rats, dude.
No rats, but just rattlesnakes.
Oh, man.
All right.
Look at how rusty this thing is.
Yeah, dude, we haven't skated it in like a couple of years. It was for Dave B's 57th birthday.
Dude, I think you need to get the...
He just turned 60
Hey,
3 years ago.
We need to build a 60
Freeze.
footer.
it's called wax. We're gonna put some wax on this,
Let's do it.
and you're gonna ride across it.
Let's do it. Miles, you want to be the first? Look at
Hey, just get on it and see what happens. And I'll slowly get off.
Dude, that thing is so...
I'll cut it right here, and that way we need to cut more, we can cut more, because if we cut too much,
I see.
we can't
go back.
We can't add.
Yep. There you go. What's your job today?
Overseeing the project, making sure everything's fine. All right. No one gets hurt.
Boom. Now it's flat. And then look at this. This is even right there. Boom. Booyah. You cut there. You ride on. This is how the mine works. Then this is always on. And it's always this size.
Yeah.
But you have to make sure this is where you want it to go down. So what you want to do is, do you want it right here to this, or do you want it closer because you're going to put another one of these on this side? Oh, but I guess you can't because of that. Well, I guess measure that and measure that. Get the camera off me. Dude, I'm behind.
So this rail showed up at customer's house like this. Bent. Look at that. Friggin' UPS. What the heck is UPS doing? This is 2-inch schedule 40 pipe. This isn't easy to bend. So anyways, we're gonna salvage this piece. Let's salvage this piece and we'll use it for the teeter totter. So hey, I think this is gonna work just like this.
Oh my God, look at that, look at that. The teeter totter. Who's gonna be the first one? Miles.
Oh, we might have to move that other rail.
Which one?
this guy.
Hey, I know you're the office manager, but you need to attempt one try, back to back to back.
Like this.
Don't put too much wax, dude.
Just to get started.
Already put it.
Just to get started.
You know what happened?
Okay.
What happened?
All right, who's first? Ortiz?
Oh shoot!
Use it.
Miles go first. But look, when you get out of that one, that thing's gonna whip.
No, breeze, just go. Feel it?
Do we need more cushion on that side?
No.
No, there's no cushions. It's like,
Just, I'm feeling this right now.
oh shit.
Back to back to back. Let's get this.
Good luck. I wish
Let's.
all luck for you, man. You
Let's.
got this. You got this, Miles.
Let's. You hear that word? Let's.
This
There's
way?
3.
Pretty heavy on the wax.
That would be cool.
Yes, let's try. Let's see. Moment of the truth. Oh shoot! It's not enough wax, huh?
Really?
You need more wax? Go straight up. Uh-oh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So it's the wax.
Yeah. We need wax and a freaking grinder.
You need to go faster. You need to go fast.
Does it go?
Yeah, it goes. But you need to go fast.
That.
Oh! You okay?
Oh. All right, hit it, Breeze.
What?
Hit it, you're up.
I'm up.
Yeah.
Oh, that thing goes, man.
It goes now?
Oh,
Oh yeah, it goes. It's good now.
look at Mike. He's gonna do first try
It's
now.
good now.
Redeem yourself.
Is he gonna do it?
He's mad at it. Look how mad he is. See? Ah! Yes, it worked. Hey, only hand need to do it, right?
Yeah. We just needed it to be done one time. So that's it.
I kind of want to try, dude. Man, Mayo's date is so easy, man. Fuck. Mayo's date is so easy, man. What the hell?
You got to look at the end when you get on. Just look at the end. Hell yeah.
Yes!
That was dope.
There we go. There you go. There you go. Ah! There, he almost did it. Yes, yes, yes. Yes! Oh, you did it on the line. That was pretty dope. Look at you, man.
Did it.
Look at you.
Teeter totter. The teeter totter. Teeter totter.
We done it.
It's fun. New addition to the Octopus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.
Don't forget.